This is a Mikki Doodles waterproof raincoat in extra large on a 20 kilo border collie. Stand up, Tim. Up. Good boy. It's got an adjustable neck funnel. It's got access to a lead in there. And around this side, it's got 2 adjustable elastic straps for the chest and the waist. This is a 55 and it's just sitting above the tail where it's supposed to be. And he's exposed underneath just enough to go for a wee. And most of his legs are covered. And he's just had it on for the first time. And he seems to be completely clean and dry.
Cocker Spaniel puppy, she is 6 months old, and this is size small. Show them. Size small. Happy fun. Yes, she can jump about and everything. And her little tail's out. Look, it's not affecting her movement. She just thinks it's a bit strange, but she'll get used to it, especially when we're out walking. She's only a baby. But yes, quite pleased with that.
Hold on, Danny. Yeah?